Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about file operations and character counting in Python. So let me just introduce you to the topic. So the first question is, what are file operations? File operations are actions performed on files such as reading from a file or writing to a file or appending the second file to the first file. And the second question is, what is character count? Character counting is nothing but just counting the number of characters in a string or a text file, which is commonly used in text editing and word processing, etc. So let's learn more about file operations. So to perform the file operations, we need to open a file. For that, we use open function. We can open a file in different modes, such as read mode, write mode, or append mode. We can use the read mode if we want to just read the contents of a file. If we want to make changes in a file, we can use the write mode. And if we want to append another file to the first file, we can use the append mode. We also have read and write mode, write and read mode, append and read mode as well. Okay, so after the operations are done, we can close the file using the close function. Let's learn about the methods of reading and writing to files. So we have different methods for reading a file. We can use the read method, which just reads the file. Read line method is used to read only a single line from a file. Read lines method is used to read multiple lines from a file. And coming to write methods, we have the write method. If we want to write something to the file, make changes to file, we can use the write method. And lines method is used to write multiple strings or multiple lines to the file. We don't have any methods for appending to files. We just had the standard append mode and append and read mode. Coming on to character count, we can perform character counting using the len function, which is a built-in function in Python, which calculates the length of a string. And let's try to implement it in Python. So this is the syntax for opening a file. We can enter any file name in double quotations and then give a comma and then uh, write the mode in which we want to open the file in double quotations. And then after the operations are done, we can close the file using the close function. Now let's see the program to count the number of characters in a file or a string. So I've stored a string hello world in text variable, and then I've used the length function, which calculates the length of a string in integer and stored it in a variable called character count, and then I've just print the number of characters, and that's it. It's as easy as that. So we are done with a program to count number of characters and file operations as well. Thank you for watching this video.